Bukbuk Village. Our journey to explore the beauty of nature and culture there start from Sangyangambu, which is the gateway to Gumang Temple and one of the iconic destinations in Bukbuk Village. Bukit Asa is a destination that presents the natural beauty of the beach, sea, and the small island from the top of the hill. Not forgetting with the Mugibu experience, which is not less interesting. Mugibu is a tradition owned by Karangasem resident, which means that these activities is carried out in a crowd where they share with each other. Another activities we did for snorkeling. This beach is also one of the right choices of spots to do snorkeling because of the beauty of the underwater that is not less beautiful. Filled with wealth of natural and cultural beauty.